coming out here and be shy.
Take me through that, take me through that.
We gone.
Take me through that, take me through that.
Out of that roof, she gone. Over the air, she gone. I'm taking her up through there. Two on my go-to pair. Hydra, 2 players. Got body like she went on a trail. Look like she go trim. Cut it, get it on.
But I try to do my hair because the less product as possible because my hair is dirty. But this bitch hangs. Anyways, hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you have stayed through the hiatus, hi, welcome back. But yeah, I try to do my hair with as the less product as possible because it stink. I had to scratch me. It scratched me so bad. So bad. But I can't wash, you know, I don't know if it's time. Even for the Happy New Year. Hi guys, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I wanted to like a little 2025 recap. I know how that. 30 minutes? Oh, I'm gonna do my hair. Come and say, why am I chatting for 30 minutes? I don't feel like I chat for 30 minutes. But no, 30 minutes I chatting feel like, and this one feel like it. Yeah, I'm gonna do my hair. And I have this thing in my scrapbook. It's called Watch a Movie for Every Year I Am Alive. I've watched 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, and 019. Does that make sense? 019. But anyways, I watched all of those movies. So now I'm downloading 09, 010, 011. And we're gonna watch all of them here. I feel like this is a pretty good idea because it like give me something to look forward to, and I love having something to look forward to. Hi guys, I am finished getting ready. I'm doing everything, and now I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna find it. It's actually 11:50 something, right on time. So you see this bottle, it's a pants bottle, but it doesn't contain pants. What is actually inside of this bottle? I'm glad you asked. So I have this. This is my lotion. Why is it so bright? This is my lotion, and then oops, this is my baby oil. Okay, why am I do it like that? Because I can't bother feel lotion my skin 2 times. But let's mix it up and do it 1 time. I'm lazy, I know. I am trying to set up the WhatsApp on my tablet. My mom told me say, I did do something this morning and my phone never did work. It did kick out my WhatsApp out of my laptop and my tablet, and then it never did the number. They told me say it need to verify it on my phone. The said phone where me I get the WhatsApp on, it tell me say me need to get the verification code on there like through WhatsApp. Bitch, you dumb? You slow? Anyways, I had taken out my original email from my WhatsApp because that full of my Google storage and it did affect me getting Gmails and emails. So all I did was they make one like a random email with my WhatsApp only. And the day I said, Jesus Christ, oh I'm gonna get the code. Oh I'm gonna get the code. Me not know WhatsApp. WhatsApp now let me in. But then I'm gonna go on my laptop and see Patrice's WhatsApp. So I'm like, oh. But then I select it and then the code never did come. Like it never did come. So therefore, I don't know if them things is somebody that try at me and then just kick out everything. And then I did it until it finally come. So big up that. But I feel like that is quite stupid though, because yeah, tell me to get the code on the phone and me I try to set up the WhatsApp, man. That makes sense. But ever since me I tried to set up WhatsApp on my tablet, this a come. You see, like it just go on that automatically and it now come off. Like it just now come off. WhatsApp is now on my laptop, but it just now come from my tablet. And it need to come from my tablet because this is the most important place. I've lost so many chats. I lost everything. Guys, I have an obsession with bigger. This shit tastes so good. I normally don't like fruit punch things, but bigger. Ooh, that's so crispy. I have a very odd obsession with bigger since recently. Mind you, I haven't had breakfast. And this is the first thing I drink for morning.
Yeah, 5 to go harder.
So I just did one of my exam and chat. That was so good. Like I felt so flipping confident writing out everything. I messed up one part of it and I became never really did that focus on the topic there, but I still managed to recover and get a look of points. But like the other section them, I know I get everything.
You remember how to integrate?
I'm gonna learn tonight.
Okay, so when you integrate something, so I don't know. Anyways.
Hi chat. So it is now 11:55, but we feel like we want to sleep. Can't sleep. If we sleep, we're gonna miss out on a lot, right? And a lot is at stake, especially for me. We're going to go down to walk around campus, like, cause outside cold, I make it liquid on our face now. We'll
All my savages with itchy fingers. I got love, but it ain't like the love I got for Indy. She held me down when I was broke. I got her to infinity. My little dog called him murder, gone for infinity. Dumping ashes on your obituary, I know you feel it.
Monty Mountain, I wanna make when you're coming on the unseen shop. We are up to So we're back in the room and we're about to begin a whole nother session of studying.
Spend a half a ticket at the dealership. The fame is doing a lot of damage to my friendships. If Esco didn't love me, would have been a drug ship. And it's the love from my fans got me.
Hi guys, again, it's a new day. And I'm not just hours. I'm like 1 hour away from exam. Am I nervous? A little, because this is not like an easy course. It's like a very, very demanding course. I feel like I'm prepared, but at the same time, I don't feel prepared. I need to throw my off. It is making me feel unbalanced because I've done so much. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you haven't liked it yet, please like. And also see you guys in my next video.
Even if you got $1 billion, we can make it come like me. Who come from Mitchell like that? It better be about an image. Tell me all of this is gimmick.